with billions of new investments just minutes away. Heavy global AAA tenant presence, high density and expanding residency, and located along our region's key transportation arteries. Mercato Square is the most unique and exciting investment opportunity in Southern Ontario. Located in one of Windsor's fastest-growing regions, this location almost guarantees success for any global tenant or buyer. Windsor, Essex County offers a diverse and unique investment landscape. Situated along North America's busiest trade route and experiencing incredible growth in both residential population and financial investment, the area is primed for sustained, continuous opportunities for decades to come. Mercato Square is adjacent to the most recent major development announcements. Within less than 10 kilometers, you'll find the new $5 billion Stellantis LG battery plant, a first of its kind in Canada. Windsor's upcoming mega hospital project, 2 proposed retirement homes, approximately 18 condo and multi-residential buildings, and fast access to both the 401 and the U.S. international border. Mercato Square provides 4 amazing opportunities. Parcel 1 is offered at $25 net lease or for sale as vacant land for $1,895,000. Parcel 2 features the core anchor, Mercato Fresh Grocery Store, a 15,925 square foot building with a long-term 5% cap lease, offered at $8 million. Parcel 3 is 2.65 acres of land offering 3 options. A residential condo apartment providing approximately 153 units. A residential commercial mix with 71 residential units and approximately 31,200 square feet of commercial space, or an approximate 103-unit hotel. Mercato Fresh Commons, the epicenter of Windsor, Essex County, is situated on the doorstep of a $50 million government-funded new 4-lane overpass at EC Row and Banwell. Mercato Square is presented by Synergy Real Estate Group Commercial. For more information about this incredible opportunity and how you could begin the process of investing in Windsor, Essex County, please contact Matt Bushman for complete details.